Tokyo, 6:45 in the morning, and I am already completely lost. Okay, I can do this. This city, 10 million people, maybe more. Everyone moving, everyone busy. Everyone's somewhere to be. But here's what I want to know today. In a city this big, do people still see each other? Really see each other? I'm going to find out. 4 places, 1 city, 1 question, and 1 word. Compassion. Senso-ji, the oldest temple in Tokyo, over 1,300 years old. People come here every single day to pray, to hope, to remember. The smoke is supposed to bring good health, so obviously, I need a lot of it. And there he is. His name? I didn't know it yet, but I saw him. And once you really see someone, you can't unsee them. Here's the truth. I was nervous. What do I say? What if I get it wrong? What if he doesn't want my help? I almost kept walking. Almost. すみません. Excuse me.
Hi.
For you. Please.
ありがとう.
Thank you. That's all he said. But his eyes, they said so much more. He wasn't invisible to me. And I think, just for that moment, he knew it. Compassion isn't always loud. Sometimes it's just kneeling down and looking someone in the eye. Shibuya Crossing, the most famous crossing in the world. Over 2,000 people cross here every single time the light turns green. Every single time. 2,000 people moving together. And somehow, nobody gets hit. Nobody crashes. It's like a miracle in motion. I feel like a small fish in a very, very big river. She was alone, standing completely still in the middle of everything moving. And nobody stopped. Sumimasen! Excuse me. Can I help? Here, take my arm. Hi. Yes, please. You stopped. Of course. Are you okay? I saw you. I'm glad I stopped. You are very kind girl. Very compassionate. She used that word, compassionate, in English. She'd lived in Tokyo her whole life, she told me. But she knew that word. Maybe because she'd been waiting for someone to show it to her. Compassion means you don't walk past, even when everyone else does. Even when you're in a hurry, you stop. Ueno Park. In spring, this place looks like a painting. Cherry blossoms everywhere. Families, music, food. If Tokyo has a heart, maybe this is it. I'm tired. My feet hurt. I've been walking for 5 hours, but I'm watching people because this city keeps showing me things. I noticed him because he was so still. In a park full of running, laughing, playing children, he was completely alone, drawing. That's really beautiful.
See it?
I can see it. The tree. You got the branches exactly right.
The other kids say drawing is boring.
The other kids are wrong.
Do you draw?
No, I am terrible at drawing. Truly terrible. But I know good art when I see it. What do you want to draw next?
Tokyo Tower. I've never been. Mama says maybe someday.
You know what? I'm going there next.
Really?
Really? And when I see it, I'll think about your drawing.
Can I show you something?
Riku, these are incredible.
No one ever says that.
Then they haven't been paying attention. That's what compassion does sometimes. It doesn't give someone food or a hand to hold. It just sees them. Really, truly sees what's inside them and says, this matters. Tokyo Tower, 330 meters high, built in 1958. They say on a clear day, you can see Mount Fuji from here. Today, I think I can almost see it. It's beautiful up here. The whole city. 10 million people. And from up here, you can't see any of them. They're too small, too far away. But here's what I keep thinking. Every single light down there, that's a person with a story, with a fear, with a day that's hard or easy or somewhere in between. I thought about Kenji today, sleeping near the temple. I wonder if he can see this tower from where he is. I wonder if he feels part of this city or separate from it.
I need to go back.
No. I came back. I brought more. Is that okay?
Why you come back?
Because you're alone. And I didn't want you to be alone tonight.
I was teacher. English teacher. For 20 years. Then I got sick. Then I lost everything. Nobody talks to me now. Not for very long time.
I'm talking to you now.
You are compassionate. Very compassionate.
You taught me that word today. You and Hana. You reminded me what it means. Today, I walked across one of the biggest cities in the world. 10 million people. And I met 4 of them. Kenji, who was invisible to everyone until he wasn't. Hannah, who was afraid in the middle of everything and just needed one person to stop. Riku, who had so much beauty inside him and just needed one person to see it. And Tokyo Tower, which reminded me that every light in this city is a person. Every single one. Compassion isn't a big thing. It's not a speech or a donation or a viral moment. It's a kneeling down, a stopping, a listening. It's choosing to look when everyone else looks away. Tokyo taught me that today. And here's what I want to ask you, right now, watching this. Who do you walk past? Who in your life is invisible to you? Not because you're a bad person, but because you're busy, because you're scared, because nobody else is stopping either. Today, you can stop. You already did. You watched this. You noticed. That's where compassion starts, with noticing. If this story meant something to you, share it. because maybe someone watching will stop for someone today, and that person will stop for someone else. And compassion, real, quiet, human compassion, will move through this world like water. I'm Anna, and I'll see you in the next city.